Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this buka stew, Iya Basira buka stew. Yes, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this yummy stew with rice and beans. So firstly, we have to transfer our protein into the pot. I'm using cow skin, beef, fresh fish, and all the orishirishi inside the cow. That is the cow intestine. So after adding all my protein to the pot, I added onions, fresh pepper, seasoning, curry powder, thyme, and salt. Then I added water. So after adding water, I'm going to mix this up, then cover it to cook until all the protein are very soft and tender. So go ahead now and blend our tomatoes, fresh pepper, onions, and red long pepper. So this is it. Everything is nicely blended. Into a clean pot, we are going to add in our palm oil. We let that heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Then we go ahead and add in our chopped onions. Then stir this for 2 to 3 minutes. So the next thing is to add in our blended tomato mix. After adding it, we are going to stir this together, then allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Cook until the water is a little bit dry before adding the rest ingredients. So at this point, our stew is nicely coming together. So we'll just give this a little stir, then go in with our ingredients. So I added seasoning cube, thyme, and curry powder. Then stir all together. So guys, if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment, okay? And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So we are going to add in our protein. After adding our protein, we stir together. Then I'll go in with crayfish. Guys, I always love to cook with crayfish. I really like using crayfish for all my food. I use crayfish for almost all my cooking. The taste is out of this world. Yes, guys. So I'm just going to stir these together. So the next thing is to add in some salt. So I'll go ahead now and add in the meat broth. Then give this a good mix, okay? So I'll go ahead and cover this to cook until it's very dry. So voila, look at our stew. Guys, this tastes so good, so delicious, super delicious, guys. So I'm just going to stir this together and our stew is ready. Look at that stew that went to Harvard. This stew tastes so good. So we are going to set this aside into another clean pot. We are going to transfer our beans. I didn't bother washing the beans because I'm going to boil the beans, okay? Guys, it's always advisable to boil your beans. You know, beans can be really gassy, okay? So it's always advised to parboil your beans, then rinse it and start to cook. So I transfer back after washing the beans, I transfer it back to the pot and I added water. I'm going to allow this to cook until soft. So at this point, I'm just going to check if the beans is nicely cooked. So I'm going to add in my washed rice. I wash this rice until the water runs really clean, okay? So I added my rice. I'm going to stir it together. Then after that, I'm just going to add in some salt. Okay, so this is me adding the salt into the rice. Then I'm going to give this a good stir. Then I'll go ahead and add water because this water will not be enough. So I added more water. So I'm just going to let this cook until the rice and beans are very soft. At this point, our food is ready. Serve and enjoy. So thank you all for watching. I'm not going to see you in my next one. Bye for now. Bye.